bahay, sandakan. Pwede. Oh, baby.
Ito yung camera mo.
Ito na nga, oh.
Maganda sana yung kay Casey.
Ayun kay Casey na lang. Para lahat.
Ayan.
Wow! Naku, may oras yung salamin. Ang ganda. Nice. Wow. Mas kompleto dito. Ang ganda ng lababo. Mas maganda pa rito. Oh. Ganda ng CR.
May tuwalya?
Oo. Ang ganda pa ng lababo. Tingnan mo anak yung background.
Pala mataas yung rating mo. Ganda, kasi mura lang.
Magkano dito? Mas mura pa kaysa doon sa Ming? Sa Ming, walang tumalya dito. Ganda-ganda. Oh, ganda pa ng view sa labas. Oh,
Ganda.
ang ganda. Wow. Kaya lang hindi klaro dito sa Diba ito yung gusto mong baby? Capital City. Ano yan? Hindi ko na mabasa. Wow.
Ay, ang ganda ng pool. Gusto ko maligo bukas.
Hanggang ano oras tayo dito bukas?
Dito tayo lalabas.
Ito? Tayo ata yung last na Parang pumayat ako. Saglit lang na ngayayat bigla. Bak dito tingnan mo na yung food court, hindi baliktad. Pagdating doon, pumalikod ka, baliktad yung
Inisig ko kayo kanina.
I want both for the rock. Yeah. That one? Yeah. Sorry? Oh, the rock. Yeah. No, the two, this one and this one, and also that one.
sabi. Wala pala sila. Kasi doon. Okay.
Sa...
Pares lang.
Same lang?
Ito. Beef.
Ano yan? This one is what? Steak. Sorry? Steak. Beef steak. Beef
Beef.
steak.
Oh, beef tsaka yung salami.
This one and the salami.
Want this?
Yeah.
Yan cheese,
This one my cheese.
spicy,
Oo.
onion. Yeah. And again,
Daming toppings.
May microwave naman ah.
you dine or take away?
Take away.
Yeah, take away. So this is only like
This one, ano pa?
Yeah.
This one, the tomato one.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano pa?
Okay. That's all.
Okay.
Feel na feel ni Casey, oh. Nagmama. May naliligo. Maligo, oo.
Gusto ko tuloy doon.
Ito ang last day namin dito sa KK, Kota Kinabalu. Yan.
Ulan?
Di moist yan. Yan. Nakabis na kami, may suklay pa ako. Waiting na lang kami sa sundo namin para kunin yung kotse namin dun. So, uwi na kami ng Brunei.
Maghulog kaya ako ng kung ano.
Ano date ngayon? June 2, no? Pabalik na kami ng Brunei, June 2.
Next month ulit.
Next month ulit, madilim. Punta kami naman ng Pilipinas. Kami dalawa lang ni Casey.
Aman, tayo natin.
Way. Paano ba to? Ano yung gamitin mo? Hindi mo sa mabuksan.
We call it Pachizul.
Apache Zul, Apache Zul.
There's one more hotel. Where else they bring?
In Orangutan. Right.
My wife, granddaughter.
Oh, okay.
And then I've been to Sanatan also like two, 3 times.
Oh,
I never went to Sibilak actually. Never.
so you're very familiar here.
Yeah. I used.
Okay. Nice also.
Yeah. A bit trouble also before.
They mostly stay in Limago. There's some apartment there.
Yeah. It's like their hometown.
Yeah. Is it here?
It's on the.
Oh, okay.
They were. Yeah, just to save the
Save
petrol.
the petrol. Northern part, Visayas, Ting.
Just go back to Philippines.
Yeah, sometimes once a year. It's a little bit slow in the mountain. It's totally covered with fog, the surroundings. But it's nice. We're
For the junction.
at the junction here.
Turn all the way.
You turn all the way there.
Kawag niya. Si Nazrin.
Si Nazrin.
I bought the second hand now. The oil.